Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. It's another rainy day. Shocker. You know, what are you going to do? It's December 15th. The weather just is... It's sunny on my days off. Or no, it's sunny on days I work. And it rains on the day off I have. So, let's get to it. Okay, so I was asking myself the other day why I wasn't using this Trangia set more. And honestly, I didn't have a good reason. So I decided to break it out and do lunch with it. This is the 25.8 set. It was actually given to me by one of my subscribers quite a while ago. And foolishly, I haven't been using it. And I don't know, like I said, I don't know why. Other than, well, I kind of answered my own question. Foolishly not using it. These are just shop towels. I keep them in between the pans so they don't get scratched or they don't rattle as much. So, get this set out. Actually, before that. Okay, so I couldn't decide if I wanted to use the fluid today, which I got right here, and I'm actually using the bottle now, or if I wanted to use the fuel canister with the stove attachment. So what I'm going to literally do is flip a coin, because why not? Yeah, I brought them all out with me, but I'm at the park. It's not like I hiked it up a mountain. So here's a drop. So here's a 50-cent piece. So I'm going to call this tails because of the core, because it has kind of a tail. So I don't know if you can see this, but so heads. We're going to use the fluid. Get this Trangia rolling. There we go. And then the top part, like that. I don't need the simmer rings, I'm just boiling water. There we go. And then once that water is done, I'll bring it back. Yeah, I think I really screwed up because I got white gas, and it's cooked the hell out of the bottom of my pot. So look what it did to my pot, if you can see that. Damn. So I guess I'll have to rethink my fuel. That's a pretty major blunder. Okay.